Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can go and connect Stripe with your Shopify store. Now, if you run a Shopify store, you need a flexible payment method. For that, Stripe is a very good and right option. And if you're new to Shopify and wants to create an account, I will provide a link in description. You guys can go and sign up from there. Open up your Shopify store once you have made this account, and on the bottom left you will see this settings. Go here and click on payments. Now once you guys are here, go and click on choose a provider, and here you will see Stripe and click on it. It might be unavailable in a lot of countries, and just go simply log into your Stripe account and you're good to go. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.